In this Jules software tutorial, we'll be looking at how to connect to your Wi-Fi, how to check your app version, entering and exiting an app, as well as force quitting any open or unresponsive apps. To connect to the Wi-Fi or internet, you'll need to locate the Settings app. This should be located on your home screen or in the app menu on the home screen and will look like a small gray gear. Once you've found the Settings app, tap on it and it will open a page that looks like this. Tapping on the Wi-Fi button on the top of the screen will turn it on and off. To connect to the Wi-Fi, first find the name of it in your network list, and then simply tap on it and apply the password if there is one. The network should stay connected when it's finished. In the Settings app, you will find the App section under Device. Tapping on it will list the downloaded apps on your tablet. Tapping on any of these apps will display the version of the app as well as give you the option to force stop the app as well. To get back to the home screen, simply tap on the bottom or top of the screen to bring up the Home button. Tapping on the Home button will bring you back to the home screen of your tablet. If you're still having problems with your tablet after this tutorial, please give us a call or send us an email for further information.